Hi, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads, and today I'm here for an unboxing. This is the Paper Pumpkin Kit, Sweet Sunflowers for August 2022. This box is absolutely fantastic. We have two Stampin' Spots, crushed curry and soft suede. And that soft suede to me has a little bit of a greenish tint to it, so it's almost Packer colors. And a sunflower center, a leaf, frou-frou greenery, two bees, and the sayings are for one-of-a-kind friend, hello, wishing you so much happiness, and thank you. Great stamp set. And a free gift. Gold foil honeycomb sheets. And they don't have to be used for the cards, but they can. Very nice die cuts. And it looks like we have Daffodil Delight tissue this time. And here is the kit that everybody has been raving about. These are glue dots, and these envelopes are just fabulous. But I don't know about you, but I am going to chop these up because by the time they go through the mail and you stick an address on there and a postage stamp, a lot of it will be covered up anyway. So these are going to make great patterned paper. And oh, look at these die cuts. Just gorgeous with the honeycomb and then the watercolor flowers on there. And the labels are also watercolored. Several different styles. And our dimensionals. And here are the card bases. Just absolutely lovely. Front and back of the card. And there's 3 of each. And look at this one. This has to be my absolute favorite paper pumpkin. Just gorgeous. This will be a nice neutral background. And then we have some sunflower bases, it looks like, and lots of little bees. Some more floral. Oh, and then some awesome vellum honeycomb. This is a fantastic set. And here are the directions plus a few alternates. Oh, look at these. This one here is my favorite, the alternates shown. I can hardly wait to play with this kit. This is awesome. Stampin' Up, you have outdone yourself. Here's are the suggested ways to put things together with instructions. And on the back here are a few alternates, plus I'll be coming up with some alternates. And if that's not enough, here's the sneak preview of the next 3 months. So there is a fall Halloween theme, and then there are 2 holiday ones. And we know so far that one's going to be holiday cards and the other one will be gift tags. I don't know about you, but I can hardly wait. Find more paper crafting inspiration at Thanks for watching, and please hit that thumbs up button